Hi everyone, thanks for joining. This week I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some beard oil. This is a homemade recipe. I'm going to go over all the oils and the different properties, and then I'll share the recipe. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and we're just going to jump right into it. So the first oil that we're going to need for this recipe is some sweet almond oil. We are going to use that because it is rich in magnesium, calcium, and zinc. It's good for reducing dry areas or flakiness on your skin, and it also helps promote hair growth. The next oil we're going to use is argan oil, and this helps reduce any kind of breakage on the hair, keeps the hair very healthy and thick, and makes your hair a little fuller. I'm also using the fragrance oil Shave and Haircut by Brambleberry. You can use whatever fragrance oil you want for this tutorial. The next oil is vitamin E oil. We are adding this. It can help stimulate the capillary growth on your skin or your hair if you apply this to your scalp. It also helps with split ends and promotes shine. We're using LOE extract as well. This just adds a protective layer to the hair follicles themselves. We're also using jojoba oil, which helps promote hair thickness. It's rich in vitamin C, B, and vitamin E, also zinc. We are also using fractionated coconut oil, which is a liquid form of coconut oil. This is great for hydrating any kind of heat damaged hair, which obviously on your beard you're not going to have a lot of that, but it also makes a nice gloss and silky finish to your hair. It can also be used in hair conditioners and stuff like that. You just find it at your local Walmart. You can use little bottles. My small ones are 2 ounces, and the large one I'm going to be using for this tutorial is closer to a 4-ounce size. I recommend getting bottles that actually have little droppers with them, just because it makes a nice way for your customer or whoever you're giving this to actually apply it either directly into their hand or onto their beard without making too much of a mess. And that's just showing you guys what the little droppers look like. Alright, now let's move on to the recipe. So I'm just going to start out by using a scale and measuring everything in ounces. And you can convert this to grams or whatever units you want. This works nicely to get about 4 4-ounce bottles of the beard oil. So if you need to adjust this or you wanted to know how many you would end up with, that's approximately how much you'd end up with. So you may be asking yourself, why do I want to make this? Does this actually work? Or what are the benefits of using beard oil? So beard oil is used as a conditioner, and it helps moisturize and soften the beard hair. It's also effective for moisturizing skin beneath your beard. So people use beard oil to keep their beards looking nice and shiny, fuller, softer, and tamer. Sorry, can't talk. And sometimes it actually helps promote the growth of the beard itself. So if you're making this to sell, those might be some good points to bring up to your customers. Or if you just want to share it with, whoever you're making this for, if you're making it for your husband, your boyfriend, your dad, whoever, you can just kind of give them a little bit of information if they're just like, why do I need this? So another question is, does it actually work? It's not going to make your beard magically grow longer or be insanely long in length, so you will be disappointed if you're expecting that. But it does actually work in the manner in which it's designed, and it will increase the incentive for your hair growth and reduce the urge to shave your hair, because the growth is just going to be coming in nice and full in the way you like it. Now I do want to mention for the jojoba oil, you can use either the clear or the golden. It's totally a personal preference. There's no difference. For this last part, you'll kind of notice that the oils look a little bit smoky. It's just because they're really cool in my house. The temperature was kind of low, but I'm just measuring out the last portions because they're such tiny measurements all together. So that would be the aloe E extract, the vitamin E oil, and the fragrance oil. If you're still watching the video at this point and you like what you see, I want you to go ahead right now and leave a comment down below. Tell me who you're making this beard oil for, and we're going to see just kind of like what demographic of people are coming here to make this oil. One more thing that I want to mention when you're actually measuring this out is you can use any kind of fragrance oil you want. I like to use a little dropper with mine, and you want to put about 2 to 4 milliliters of fragrance oil. You can also use an essential oil combination if you'd like. Just make sure you're using proper usage rates. It'll probably be pretty close to that. You want to make sure that they're hair and skin safe essential oils though if you're going to do that. The reason why I don't fragrance this really heavily, and I want to just let you guys know that as well, is because you have to think about people are putting this on their face. Not all people that are wearing this want to have this smell on their face all day long. So you do want to keep that in mind. It's not really meant to be overpowering. You don't want to give anyone a headache or anything like that. So I just wanted to mention that. And then when you're done adding all of the ingredients, you just want to make sure that you mix everything really well for about 1 to 2 minutes to make sure everything is fully incorporated and that, you know, nothing is like sitting at the top or the bottom of the mixture. And then you can get ready to start pouring that into your bottles. Once again, I just wanted to show you the different types of bottles I have. They come in different sizes and they do have little droppers. You can also get these bottles in a variety of colors. I would recommend doing either like the amber or one of these tinted colors for beard oil just because it helps preserve the actual oils that you're putting in there versus putting it in some sort of clear container. I also would recommend making sure that they are glass containers as well because you don't want anything to kind of eat through plastic. Some plastics just don't hold up as well. So thank you guys again for watching this video. If you like this tutorial and you want another one, let me know. I'm thinking about doing a beard wax if you guys are interested in that. It just depends on how popular and the type of feedback I get for this. So thank you guys for watching.